Hello everyone, class 9th. I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class, here we will have to discuss about the chapter number 4, which is structure of atom. And the today's topic is atomic mass. Sorry, atomic number. Atomic number. So what does it mean about that, the atomic number? What is the atomic number? We will discuss over here. Atomic number is what actually? In any element, the number of protons. In any element, there is a number of protons. The number of protons indicated that there is atoms. The number of atoms. So that declares that there is a number of protons is refers to as atomic number. So we can say that in any element, number of proton is equal to the atomic number. So what we can say, if we are going to talk about any atomic number, so we'll have to just remember one thing: the number of a proton always is equal to the atomic number. So atomic number constitutes the number of protons available. Or we can say the total number of a proton in any element is referred to as a atomic number. Suppose if there in case of magnesium there is 12 protons, so its atomic number will be what? It will be 12. Why? Because this atomic number indicates how many numbers of protons are there. So there are 12 protons. So the number of a proton is actually represented as 12. In other cases, like in case of a chlorine, there is 17 proton. So 17 is what actually? It is the number of protons. 17 is the number of proton. So it is actually the atomic number of chlorine. In case there is a helium which have 2 proton, so the number of proton is equal to what? 2. So the atomic number of helium is equal to 2. The atomic number is what actually? Atomic number is indicated as the actual positions of any element. What it is actually? The atomic number indicated that it can be denoted by the atomic number is denoted by letter Z. Suppose if there is nitrogen, in which total number of proton is equal to what? It is 7. So Z is equal to what? 7. So atomic number is what actually? It is the 7. In case of magnesium, there are 12 proton in them, so Z is equal to what actually? 12. In case of helium, there is a number of proton is equal to 2, so there Z is equal to what actually? 2. So if there is a symbol or a letter given as a Z, so it represented as what actually? The number of a total protons, the number of a total protons in them, and that will indicated as atomic number. So what we can say that atomic number is what actually? Atomic number is a number of a proton, total number of a proton in an element. So this can be represented by Z. Now we'll have to discuss on the total number of atoms of the same element, the total number of the total number of atom. The total number of atom, total number of atoms. If the total number of atom is same in any element, if it is same in any elements, so what happened? Then they have the same number in all the atoms. So they have the same number in all the atoms. Suppose if there is same number of proton, in all the atoms. Suppose if there is a total number of atom in any element, if the total number of the atom in any element same, so the number of proton in all the element will be same. Why? Because suppose if there is carbon, this have 12 electrons. So all the atoms in this element have the same number of atoms. But in case any other atom like carbon and oxygen, so what will happen? The number of atom in a carbon element is not equal to the number of atom in a oxygen element. So the number of atom in the same element will be the number of proton will be the same in the same atom, but in case of other atom it will be different. What does it mean about? Here I will confirm, tell you what actually I want to say. If there is a number of atom, all the atoms of the element, if all the atoms of the element will be same, all the atoms of the element, all the atoms of the element is same, of the element have same number, have same atoms. In any element, all the atoms have same have same number of proton, have same number of protons in any single bond. What is it? All the atom of the element have the same number of a proton in any element. All the proton have the same number. So we can say all the atom of the element have same number of protons. But in any other element, the number of proton will not be same. Why? Because there are the different type of element have the different number of atom of element, or we can say have the different number of atoms in them. So they have the number of a proton different from one another. But in case of only one single element, they have the same number of protons. So all the protons have the same number of protons. Now, no any element have the same number of protons. That means no any elements have the same atomic number. That means there will be the no same atomic number, and that count as there will be the number of proton will never be same. Why? Because if there is an oxygen written 860, nitrogen or chlorine written as. So if we want to write 8, Z is equal to 8, that means it is confirmed that this is what actually, this is the oxygen. And if we write over here Z is equal to 17, so it confirms that there is chlorine. There is a chlorine. So in case of any single element, all the number of atoms is what? Has the same number of a proton. But in case of any other element, in case of oxygen and chlorine, in both cases the number of an atom will never be same. Why? Because they have the different number of protons. So they have a different number of atom in them. So there will be the different element are that. Why? Because they have the different properties, and no two element can have the same numbers. Like if there is 2He4, so this confirms that this one will be only the helium. This could not be neon. This could not be neon. Why? Because this could have the same distinct number of proton in them. They have the same number of proton. That means they have the fixed number of proton in them. That is atomic number. But when we are talking about another way, when we are talking about that the number of protons. What is now about that the number of electron? Now we can say any neutral atom or in any atom, if there is a number of electron is equal to the number of protons. All the atoms of the same element, have the same number of protons in their nuclei. What we can say? All the atom of the same element have the same number of proton in their nuclei, Why? Because this can have, hence they have the same atomic number. But in another element or in another atom, there is no same number of a proton. So might be the two different type of atoms have the different atomic numbers. In another word, we can say here about that the number of electrons. So what is a number of electron? We know that in an electrically neutral substance or in an electrically neutral atom, there will be the number of electron is equal to the number of protons. So we can say that atomic number is now atomic number. Now in this case, where there is a neutral atom is considered. If there is a neutral atom, so there is a number of electron is equal to the number of protons. So in that cases, the atomic number is equal to the number of electrons. But actually, in case if there is any chemical reaction takes place, so there will be the no reactions takes place by or no involvement of the proton, and only the electron can participate or involve in such a reactions. So what we can say, in case of any neutral atom, the number of electron is equal to the number of a proton. So we can say that the atomic number as the same as the number of electron will be. But in case of any ions, there will be the number of electron is quite different from the number of a proton. Why? Because in any ions like a sodium ions, suppose if there is, okay, we will firstly discuss about the neutral atoms. Suppose if there is oxygen, here is, if it is neutral, so the number of electron, proton and neutron we could write like this. Suppose if it is, so here is the number of protons is quite different. Here is 1 electron, here is 2 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is, in this case only, the number of electron is equal to the number of protons. Why? Because it is a neutral atom. In a neutral atom, there is a number of electron is equal to the number of a proton as well. But in that case, if there is a oxygen atom, so here will be O, oxygen plus 2. That means, or in case sodium or magnesium plus 2. If it is written magnesium plus 2 or chlorine minus 1, so what will happen? So there will be the donating of a 2 electrons. If it donated the 2 electron, then it will form the magnesium ion. And if it is donated, if it is gain 1 electron, so it is a chloride ion. So in that cases, wherever we are talking about in the neutral atoms, there will be only the number of electron is equal to the number of protons. But in case of any ions, either it will be gain, either it will be donated. So in that particular cases, the number of electron is never equal to the number of a proton. Why? Because due to the either giving, that means either donating, there is a number of electron got less, and if it is obtaining or receiving number of electron will be increases. Let's discuss about In that case only the atomic number will be equal to the number of a proton, number of electron. But in case if there is magnesium ion, if there is a chlorine ions, so what will be there? Never the number of a proton is equal to the number of a neutrons or electrons. Sorry. So in case of a magnesium, here is neutron and proton. 12. It is found in their nuclei. But outer to this, there will be the number of electrons. These number of electrons might be there. It is 12 and 2 already donated, that is now 10. So here is 1 electron, 2 electrons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here is only 10 electrons there. Here is only the 10 electrons in case of a magnesium ion, and here is 12 protons. Here is electron, number of electrons, and this one is 12 number of protons. So what will be the difference? The difference will be counted as number of proton will never equal to the number of electron. As you can see, in case chlorine, there is number of neutron and proton will be if it is 70. So here 1 electron is taken as, so in that case 2 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 8. It is 2, it is 8, 10. And in case of our last orbit, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in its outer orbit, there are the number of electrons will be 8. 8 plus 10, that is 18 electrons. In case 18 electrons in there, in case of a chloride